Hello and welcome to Improve Your Voice. My name is Darren McStay and today I'm going to introduce you to a unique little tool that I've used as an actor and also as a singer, which is called the bone prop. Now I've had this one for 10 years and it's a little bit broken, as you can kind of see, but you can buy these online, and I got mine from Amazon. Now the point of this is to help you with your articulation and sharpening up the sounds you make as you speak. I often talk about in many of my videos that a great way of tightening and brightening up that articulation is to either put your thumb or your finger in your mouth and to say a few sentences or to sing a phrase or something that's going to help work the muscles on the inside of your mouth and your articulators, like your tongue, your soft palate and everything else on the inside, rather than just letting your jaw do a lot of the work. So this is basically like a cleaner way of doing it, and it's one you can carry around with you, and it's something if you were driving you could put in your mouth. So this is something that's quite handy if you're working as a professional voice artist or as a professional singer, or anyone who has to use their voice regularly who wants to articulate better. You just pop it in like that and you do some talking. So if I speak to you for a little while now, I haven't necessarily done a huge warm-up today. If you're interested in a warm-up, there's a great video on one there. But this, after doing some talking for a little while, it makes the inside of your mouth work harder. So when you finally eventually take it out, you find that the muscles are firing and your articulation should be clearer and crisper. It's a bone prop, and that's what it's called, and that's basically what it does. So any of you out there who want to have the edge on articulation and clarity of your speech, especially people who mumble or people who may need to use their voice regularly, this could be quite a handy tool because it's hands-free. Once you put it in your mouth, you can just continue and speak with it as a little warm-up. It's a great little warm-up, it's a great little tool. They're pretty cheap. I'll find a link for you and leave it in the description box below, so if you're interested in buying one you can. I'm not here to promote them, but it's a tool that I thought you could use and it could be useful for anyone who's up for that. So just a short video today. I wanted to introduce you to the bone prop as a great little tool for articulation. I've been Darren McStay. This is Improve Your Voice, and until the next time, look after your voice.